Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with the keywords concept in the Python language. Now let's see some more keywords in Python language. DEF, it's a definition, okay. My function, DEF is a keyword. So how this keyword is using, let's see here. So def is nothing but it's going to define my function. So whatever the function that you are declaring, it is going to define that function. For that you need to write def. So def function, it's a function definition, it's defining my function. So here you need to write what is your function consisting of. Means inside the function what are the statements that you want to write, you can write here. So let me write some statements here. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to A plus B. Okay. Now what I am doing? So exit from the function, and here I am writing the statement x is equal to my function. Means whatever the function that it is going there, that I am moving to the x variable, and I want to print the x value. What will be the output for this program? You won't get any output. Let's have a look. You didn't get any output. You will get none. Why it is get none? Because the function is not returning any statement. So here you have written a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to a plus b. That's it. But here the function you are not printing here. Suppose if you write print something, and if you want to assign that value to x, means okay. But here my function is not returning any value, and whatever it is it is not returning any value, that I am moving to the x, and that I am printing. So you'll get the answer as a none. This program has a function that does not return a value, although it does some operations inside. So here it has done some operations, means it has add the a and b values, and the result will stored in the c only. But this program function is not returning any value, so that's why you got none. So you can change this statement like c is equal to a plus b, and write here print c. Just write print c. Okay. Then you simply call my function. Okay. Call my function. Let's see the output. So you'll get 3. A is 1, B is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is a way you can use the keyword def. It's defining the function. Whatever the module that you want to be defined, you have to use the keyword def. And coming to the next keywords, and or not. What are these? And or not or the logical operators. So what is the use of the and? And is used if both. So what the output you will get if you use the and keyword? If both operands are true, then you will get the output as true. Or if any of the operand is true, then the result you will get it as true. Then what about the not? Not is nothing but the invert truth value. Invert truth value. Okay. So let me take just, it's a simple statement. I'm just writing true and false. I'm not writing anything. I'm just writing true and false. What will be the output? I'm not printing. I'm not using anything. I'm just taking the two keywords true and false. True means 1. False means 0. 1 and 0 you will get 0 only. That means false only you will get. Let me take some more. True or false. Remember students, T is the capital, F is the capital, and the remaining all are the small letters only. True or false? True is 1, false is 0. 1 or 0 you will get 1 only. That means the output should be true. Let's run the program. Output is true. Suppose take not false. Not false. What it means? Not false means you will get true. So this is a way you have to use the logical operators and or not. Okay, so the result of the and or not, you will get only the either true or the false statements. Thank you.